Welcome back. In this episode, we are going to look at what description word list, right? We have already deal with on other lists and what other lists. So we are going to look at description list. I'll open my editor, then create another file, right? I'm going to name this a description list.html, right? You can name it any other name. You can even spell it full. I hit my enter button, then what? I'll close this sidebar. Then in my description list, I'm going to word. I'm going to word. Going to call up my HTML word structure, right? I'm going to write my HTML structure like this is my HTML, and this is head, and this is my title, right? As follows, right? Our previous lesson, and this is my body. In this my body tag now, I'm going to write. So I'm going to write a title here, description list, right? I'm going to write description list there, and I'm going to come in. Like in my description list, I'm going to have like DL, right? We use DL to describe, right? And in terms of the description list, it describes the terms, right, of the list. What is the list for, right? We have DL, right? Is a description word. Is DL. We have some tag there, which is DL. DL means description list, and we have a D or DT, right? The DT, right, element, which word is the element we specify, right? We specify the term, right? Is the element we specify the term, right? Like for instance, I see a list of name. The heading is name, so the name that is under that name, right, is the word, is the DT, which is a list, the element we specify, right? Sorry, I didn't spell it. We specify the word, the terms, right? Now we have a DD is the word element, is the element which described the word, is the element which describe the word, the terms in the word description, right? The terms in the description. So this is what we're going to look at. We say that word the DL, the description is DT element which specify the term, and DT element which will describe the terms in the word description. And normally in coding, they are not normally using this, right? In terms of HTML program, they are normally, I don't think main developer are using it, but it's very good for you to have a basic knowledge, right? I think if you start using it, like me, I use it my web developing, right? It's very good for you to use it, right? And we are going to make it simple. This thing we have ETL, which is what DL, which is what description word list. In the description list, I'm going to have what after DL DT, right? The term came, right? I'm going to say that the that means the terms of descriptions of the term car, right? I'm going to say cars, right? Cars, right? Under it, I'm going to add DT, right? We describe the term. I'm going to under car have Toyota, right? I have Toyota. Under DT, I have Benz, right? I have Benz, right? Under it, I also have something like Lexus, okay? Lexus. Sorry, I didn't spell it very well. Lexus, right? Then I spell, even though the spelling is not correct, the name part is that like Lexus, right? You have DD like something. What is the name of car again? Like let me give it any name, like this can be okay, right? able pens, and this one can be okay. Let's use this one. So you know, these are our description word terms, right? These are our description word items. So this is our description word terms, which is the car. Under car we have Toyota and Benz, right? I can come here, I can say that TD, right? TD, like names, right? I can put names here like TD, like Simon, right? Like Simon, TD, like Peter, right? Like Peter, have a name like Prince, right? I have a name TD like Isabella, right? After Isabella, I have TD Lovett, right? I have Lovett, and after TD I have something like let me say Jacob, right? And after Jacob I have TD Joy, right? And after Joy I have many of them, right? I can see that, okay, I can put another TD, the description thing, like I can see that, okay, let me have names of schools, right? Schools. I'm gonna put TD here, like National Open University, right, of Nigeria. National Open University of Nigeria. You can put any school here, like I want to put it like Unilag, right? Unilag, we can put like June, like Federal Polytechnic, right, of Nasarawa. Federal Polytechnic of Nasarawa, right? So that is it. So I think that let's open this in our web browser. Before we open it in our web browser, I'm going to put an age to where I'm going to say that this is a description list, right? This is a description list. So when we're going to add info, what is going to happen here is that this one is going to be bold, right? Let me write a comment. This one is going to be bold, right? I'm just writing to specify the so that you understand. Then the two of this will be a child of this one, right? This one will be a child of the list of all those cars, right? I hope you understand what description this is all about. And it's not hard. So we will right click there, we open the lab server, right? There we will see it. You can see that. You can see that. Look at it. This one in depth, right? It as if like you press tab, right? It in depth to this, right? Okay. So that is all about description list, and you can come here, make this one word bold, right? You can make this one bold, and then come here, see that style, like I can see that style, right? Font weight, bold. Font weight, I'm going to say that bold, right? Yeah, then refresh. You can say this one is bold, right? This you can apply to this one so that I could show that this one is a child of this one. So I hope you understand what description list is all about, right? We are not going to add any attribute to it. Let it be like this, so that we can do it, so that we understand what it means. Please practice hard and know what it's all about, right? It's for you can Google more about it. I'll put a link below it. You can Google more about it. You can click it and read more content article about it. Thanks for watching.